You Are Epic brings you Thoughtful Thursday. You Are Epic is a platform for people who are interested in personal growth and transformation. Thoughtful Thursdays is a gentle reminder that we as humans have been given a wonderful power of choice. And it is up to us to choose how we live a life of joy and good health. We can choose to live joyfully when we flow with life, or we can choose to resist what life brings to us and create pain and suffering. Hello, I'm Renu Kohli, your transformational coach, bringing you this episode of Thoughtful Thursdays. I want to ask you, do you also find it difficult to accept the flow of life? Buddha said something which very aptly puts it. Your suffering is caused by your resistance to what is. Meaning that suffering comes about when we don't accept what is happening in life. If you believe it is possible to change the situation, go ahead and take action to change it. But if the situation is not in your control, it is best to let go your resistance, your negative approach, and accept the situation. Because non-acceptance is the way for suffering. So how do you change your negative approach? Understand that a situation becomes negative or positive depending upon how we perceive it to be. In other words, it becomes a problem only when we think of it as that. When you say that something is a problem, immediately your mind becomes filled with thoughts and feelings of negativity. Your mind constantly addresses it as a problem. A simple shift is all that is needed to transform the situation. If you begin to look at the situation as a challenge that has come into your life to help you grow, you can happily accept it. Remember when you were a child? You would challenge yourself with greater difficulty levels while playing. It gave such immense pleasure to master that level and very soon set about challenging yourself to a higher level. Why forget that dealing with challenges is a natural ability and it is the way to grow bigger than your so-called problems. Recognize also that your resistance to problems is coming from your fears. Understand the cause of your fears and learn to overcome them. This requires awareness and practice. The more you practice overcoming your fears, the easier it will become. Allow yourself to be happy. Some people become so addicted to the problems and the chemistry of stress that they cannot see moments of joy and happiness. Throw away your obsession with your problems and learn to focus on the joys. Remember, you are not a victim. You are creating your experience as a victim by your own thoughts and behaviors. Things change, situations change, and miracles do happen. But miracles happen only for those who believe in them. If you want to know more about this, you can reach out to me, Renu Kohli, your transformational coach, at Instagram, YouAreEpic11, or through the links given in the description. If you like the video and its contents, please like, share, and give your feedback. Subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content. Till we meet again next Thursday, remember always, you are epic.